Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into PlayStation credit card account online. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in d.community.net/ac/PlayStation Visa. After you come across this official page, click on the sign in button. Here you'll have to enter your username associated with your account and a valid password. If you want your device to remember your login details, then check the box that says Remember Me, and if you don't want it, then uncheck the box. If you do not remember your username or password, then you can click on Forgot username/password link. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on Register Now link. Finally, after entering your details, click on the Sign In button to proceed. And that is how you can log into PlayStation credit card account online. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.